Starting next month, you can once again order free COVID-19 tests online. It's part of the Biden administration's plan to help prevent a surge of cases in the fall and the winter. This comes as the FDA has also approved the updated COVID-19 vaccines. Lindsay Theus with Scripps News has the details.
4 free COVID tests through covidtest.gov are coming in September.
As people start to travel, as they start to get together with friends and family through the holidays, want them to have those 4 tests available to them at that time.
This is the 7th time the federal government says it's offered free tests by mail. The free tests, part of a strategy to keep the public from getting one of several viruses that spread easier in the fall and winter. This, as the latest CDC data shows, COVID infections are flat and ER visits have just slightly decreased over the last week. Wastewater levels for COVID remain very high.
We have several other distribution channels. The tests that you see in schools, libraries, long-term care facilities, food banks, community centers, that type of thing, where they're close to people's homes. Those distribution channels don't pause.
Newly FDA-approved and authorized COVID vaccines, formulated to fight a variant called KP2, that's the closest to the strains currently causing the virus to spread, are also coming out. Those shots will begin showing up in pharmacies, clinics, and doctors' offices this week.
Over the last 2 months, taking care of people with COVID in the hospital, there hasn't been a single person I saw with serious COVID who recently got the vaccine.
If you recently had COVID, I'd encourage you to wait until about 3 months after that. And the same thing if you had a recent vaccine, I would generally wait at least 3 months before you do the new vaccine.
The cost for the vaccines will depend on insurance, and patients can get it at the same time as the flu shots if they want one. Lindsay Theus, Scripps News, Los Angeles.